In what ratio does the line x minus y equals to 2 divides the line segment joining the point 3, -1 and 8, 9? Let us begin. So here we have 2 points. So let's say point A has the coordinates 3, -1, and we have another point B. B has the coordinates 8, 9. We're going to join the 2 points with the help of a straight line. Now, there is another line with the equation given by x minus y equals to 2. So let's say this line x minus y equals to 2 is intersecting the line and it is dividing it internally in the ratio k is to 1. This is an assumption. We don't know for sure if it is dividing the line segment either internally or externally, but for the time being, we'll suppose that it is intersecting the line internally at point C. Now, using the internal section formula, we can obtain the coordinate of point C. So that will be given by, all we have to do is take k and multiply it with b, and 1 will get multiplied to a. Meaning, if we want to find out the x coordinate, we'll take k and multiply with the x coordinate of b, so that's 8. So we have 8k. Added to 1 times the x coordinate of a, so that's 3. So 1 times 3 will be simply 3, divided by the sum of the ratio, so that's k plus 1. Then for the y coordinate, we take k and multiply with the y coordinate of b, so that's 9k, added to 1 times the y coordinate of a, so that's -1. So we have 9k -1 divided by k plus 1. So that's the coordinate of point C. Now, since the line is passing through point C, we can say that this particular point C will satisfy the equation of the line. X minus y equals to 2. So that means we can replace the value of x with 8k plus 3 divided by k plus 1 minus y, and y will be replaced with 9k minus 1 divided by k plus 1. And this will be equals to 2. So if we solve this equation, then we can easily obtain the value of k. So let's multiply throughout with k. So we have 8k plus 3 minus 9k plus 1 equals to 2k plus 2. So 8k minus 9k, that's going to be -k, plus 3 plus 1, that's 4. This will be equals to 2k plus 2. Or simply put, we have 3k equals to 2. So k will be 2 is to 3. Or we can say k is to 1, that's the ratio, 2 is to 3. Now, since we are getting a positive value for k, we'll say that the line is dividing AB, the line segment AB, in the ratio 2 is to 3, but it is doing it internally. So option B is the correct answer.